Hello guys, Sorin Constantin here. Welcome to our next lecture in the course Affiliate Marketing Hacking, the 5 steps fast track method. So in this course, in this lecture, we will actually talk about the method, the 5 steps fast track method that you were all waiting for to see. So practically we call it the 5 steps fast track method to affiliate commissions because there are 5 steps that you actually have to take in order to start earning affiliate commissions out of this method. So let's go on directly to the information. The first step that you have to take is to choose a domain name that already has the time advantage, that is an expired domain and has a good domain authority and link building already in place. And I will show you exactly how to do that. Now, the first step that you will have to take is to set up a WordPress site, a magazine style proper for creating reviews. Also, I will show you exactly how to do that too. Then the third step that you have to take is to choose an internet marketing software launch. We have talked a lot about digital product affiliate marketing and stuff like that, and I will show you exactly how to apply this method for the internet marketing software launches and niche. And you will see how to choose an internet marketing software launch or offer to promote by researching the launch and keywords so you can see if you can rank a review for that launch. Number 4, create a written review on the website and video for that review. And number 5, it's related to link building. Okay, you have to do link building, syndicate the review that you will create, and video on social media and other websites for link building to get very good links to your website. So you have to follow all these steps, and I will show you exactly how to do it and how to start earning affiliate commissions out of it. Which are the principles of this method? Which are the principles of how this actually works? So you will be using short-term search engine optimization mostly for generating traffic, and you will see exactly how to do that. Now, most softwares that launch in the internet marketing niche have no search engine competition till the date of the launch. This is the biggest advantage that you can have. You practically, when a software is launched in the internet marketing niche, exactly in the same day, people will start generating traffic for that particular software for those specific keywords that maybe are in the title of the software, in the name, or so on. Okay, most affiliate in this niche promote an offer or software when it's launched through email marketing. So practically, to understand better how this works in the internet marketing niche, when a software is launched, there are more affiliates that promote that software, that launch. Okay, the main method that they use to promote a software launch, it's email marketing. They already have very big email lists, and they send email to that list regarding that special promotion, that special offer or software launch. A lot of those people, okay, there are people that will receive their email, okay, and research for a product review on Google before buying, and that's when you come in place. So a lot of the people that will receive that email, that offer through their email, they won't buy the product right away. Okay, they will research for a product review on Google before buying, and that is the moment when you come in place. Practically in the launch period, there will be automatically generated traffic that you will hijack using basic search engine optimization methods. So actually, in the period of the launch of a specific software, it's generated a massive amount of traffic that didn't exist before, because that traffic comes from the list. Okay, the people exactly in the same day find out about a specific software that will launch, and they will enter on Google, okay, and they will search for a review for that specific product or software or e-course or ebook or whatever it is. Okay, what does this mean? That the competition for those specific keywords is very, very low. And if you create a website, okay, that has a decent link building, okay, you will be very likely to appear as the first position in the search engine when people are looking for a review for that product. Okay, so they will enter on your website, they will read the review, and a certain percentage of the people that will see your review, what will happen to them? They will buy the product, and they will be your customers, not of the guy that sent the email. So this is called, in a way, in this niche, it's called product launch hijacking. Why? Because practically somebody else is generating the traffic, and you just hijack the traffic by appearing in front of it exactly at the opportune moment, to say so. So I will show you exactly step by step how to do all these things, all the steps that you have seen here, and how to profit from this offer, because it's actually very, very simple. It's not hard at all. Now, thank you guys for your attention. I hope you are excited about this as excited as I was when I saw this first time, and I am looking forward to see your first results. Now, I will see you guys in the next lecture to your online success. Sorry.